here's our 3 IBC system that we built a few days ago, especially for the filming. And you can see what we finished up with. We've got a fish tank here which holds 1,000 litres or 250 gallons. We've made a nice wooden top for it, which we'll show you in detail later on. And here we have 3 grow beds, 1, 2, 3, that we've cut up out of the other 2 IBCs. And we also have a sump down at the bottom here, which is the water collection point. And we'll show you how the plumbing works and everything. You'll see we've already planted it up. It's got 19mm or 3-inch, 3/4 inch gravel in it. And it's just working just great. Our corn's coming along nicely already after only just a few days. We have a new operating system which we've coined the name Chop Mark II, and it's really great. We've been running it for over 12 months now just to make sure that it really does work and works well. And we've overcome some of the problems with the Chop System Mark I, and also it's made the operation of this really, really simple for the homeowner and the home builder. No longer do you have to worry about having all the grow beds exactly equal. In level, as you can see here, we've got them at different heights, and it wouldn't matter if the grow beds here were lower than this or even slightly higher. We'll explain that to you as we go along.